This is Woodpecker Day. We're seeing lots of these guys and hearing them. Oh, it looks like a pair. Is that a pair? It's hard to see and I don't want to move too much. I hear a little squeaky noise. I didn't know they spent so much time on the ground. Ooh, 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 wham. It's way in though. I can't really get in there, but you get a sort of tantalizing glimpse. They're making this funny noise. I swear there are two in there, but I can't really say. And there's definitely one over to the left of me, whamming on a tree, just whamming. I never knew they made that sound. You see, trying to find them. Holy crap. Oh, here's one right here. Oh, he flew away. He was right here. Isn't it funny? They move all the time. Look at him. In all my time living here, 30 years, I've heard them. And somebody's making a squeaking noise. I wonder if that's a baby. One of those juveniles, you see. Oh, there he goes, a little bit higher up. Oh, look how big they are. Oh, man, look at the size of that guy. He's huge. Seems like everywhere I go there's a woodpecker today, and I hear them. I hear one squeaking. He flew off. Right above him. Now who's down in there? I see something, but it will be so hard to photograph, and there's another one way over there. No, I can't. Yeah, that's it. It's making a funny sound. I don't know why it's doing that. Maybe it's a juvenile. Look at him. They're just everywhere today. And it's the first time I've seen this, or heard it. I think I would have heard it. So I really don't know what's going on with wildlife these days. It's just been amazing. I saw a beautiful owl the other day. We never see owls in the daytime. You know, there are 3 or 4, or maybe 5 or 6 woodpeckers around, and I never realized how much they like to go on the ground. Because the ones I've been seeing are hammering away, and of course it might be rotten old logs. But they're just pecking away. And you can hear them on the tree bark. Oh, there's one over here, I think. I don't know what that is. I believe those are robins. I don't know why, but they're sort of hanging around. I don't want to go yet. Because, you know, as soon as I turn around, there's another woodpecker. Holy crap. Yeah, I can hear them. Yeah, there's one way over there. Don't know if I can get him or not. There he is. Oh, he flew away. But he's there. Oh, no. I gotta go up there. I always assumed woodpeckers would be impossible to film because they'd be so deep in the woods. This is not deep in the woods at all. This is just a well-used trail, but they like the mature trees, I think. They're sort of semi-rotten old trees. Some of them are rotten.